Folks, let's be honest for a second. We spend a lot of time thinking about what we eat, but almost no time thinking about the water we drink every single day. And the funny thing is, water is actually the main ingredient in everything. Coffee, tea, cooking, even things like beer or homemade drinks, it all starts with water. But if your water quality isn't great, it doesn't matter how good everything else is. I'm Daniel, and on this channel, I test gadgets and devices to give you a clear picture of what they are really like before you buy. Today we're taking a look at the Frizzlife PD600, a tankless reverse osmosis water filter that promises clean water, better taste, and a much simpler setup than traditional systems. Instead of dealing with bulky tanks and complicated installations, this one is designed to be more compact and straightforward, which already makes it appealing for everyday use. And guys, before we dive into this one, all the useful links and exclusive discounts are waiting for you in the description below. Let's break it down and see what it actually does. Alright folks, so at its core, the PD600 is a reverse osmosis system, but it's built in a way that's meant to be a lot more user-friendly than older setups. Instead of having a big tank sitting under your sink, this system is completely tankless, which already makes a big difference. It takes up less space, looks cleaner, and avoids that issue where water sits in a tank for too long. Now, in terms of filtration, the process happens in stages, but instead of overcomplicating it, here's what really matters. Mates, the system removes things like chlorine, heavy metals, and other unwanted contaminants. And then it does something extra that not all systems handle well. Because normally reverse osmosis removes almost everything, including the good minerals. That's why some filtered water can taste a bit flat or slightly acidic. What this system does is bring some of those minerals back and slightly adjust the pH, so the water feels more balanced and actually tastes better. And it's not trying to turn your water into something extreme, guys. It just brings it to a more natural level, which is what most people prefer anyway. Another thing worth mentioning here is efficiency. A lot of older RO systems waste a ton of water, which is honestly one of their biggest downsides. This one improves that quite a bit, so you're not just getting clean water, but also not wasting as much in the process. Alright friends, now let's talk about what it's actually like to use the PD600 day to day, because that's where it really matters. First, the size and design make a big difference right away. Since there's no tank, it fits much more easily under the sink, and you don't have to deal with bulky storage taking up space. If you live in an apartment or just don't want a complicated setup, this already makes things easier. Mates, installation is pretty manageable, but it's one of those things where it depends on your experience. If you've done basic setups before, you'll probably be fine. If not, getting help is still a good idea, especially if you need to drill or connect to certain parts of your system. Once it's installed though, the experience is very straightforward. You turn on the faucet and you get filtered water almost instantly. It's not one of those slow systems where you're waiting forever to fill a glass. And the flow rate here is actually solid. You can fill a regular glass in just a few seconds, which makes it feel much closer to normal tap water, just cleaner. Guys, before we continue, if you find this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to stay updated on all my future unboxings and reviews. Thanks! Now, one feature that stands out is the smart display. Instead of guessing when something needs maintenance, the system shows you the current water quality and lets you know when it's time to replace filters, so you're not constantly checking or trying to remember timelines. Speaking of filters, the replacement process is also simplified. Instead of dealing with multiple complicated steps, it's designed to be quick and manageable, which is important because that's something people usually avoid. Another thing people notice pretty quickly is the taste. Friends, since the system adds minerals back into the water, it doesn't have that empty or overly purified taste that some RO systems have. It just tastes clean and balanced, which is exactly what you want. And depending on how you use it, this can actually be useful beyond just drinking water. If you're making coffee, cooking, or even doing something like brewing, having consistent water quality makes a bigger difference than most people expect. Alright guys, so here's the bottom line. The Frizzlife PD600 is not trying to be the most complex system out there. It's trying to be a practical, everyday solution for people who want better water without dealing with the complicated setup. The tankless design, solid flow rate, and balanced filtration make it feel modern and easy to live with. And the fact that it brings minerals back into the water makes a noticeable difference in taste. Of course, folks, it's still a bigger upfront investment compared to basic filters. An installation might take a bit of effort, depending on your setup, but once it's running, it's one of those things you don't really have to think about anymore. So if you want clean, consistent water straight from your tap, without buying bottles or dealing with bulky systems, this is definitely worth considering. Remember to check the links in the description for additional information and discounts. If you found this review helpful, please like this video and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching and see you next time.